Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate and use the Cloud Capture app. Cloud Capture offers several key benefits. By saving images and audio directly to the cloud, you can free up local storage on your device. It enhances accessibility, allowing you to access your files anytime and anywhere. Additionally, it provides secure backups, keeping your data safe from loss. Finally, Cloud Capture facilitates real-time collaboration, making it easy to work together with others on a clinical case. In this tutorial video, we will start on the Cloud Capture login screen. For detailed steps on how to log into the Cloud Capture app, please refer to the How to Log into Cloud Capture user manual linked in this video's description. Once logged in, the Photo tab on the Cloud Capture screen will open automatically. For more information on how to use the Photo tab, please refer to the How to Capture Images on Cloud Capture user manual linked in this video's description. To switch to the audio recording function of the app, click on the Audio tab and the Audio Capture screen will open. For more details on capturing audio, please refer to the How to Capture Audio on Cloud Capture user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Upload tab to upload files and the upload screen will appear. For more information on how to upload files, please refer to the Upload from Cloud Capture to GoodX Web user manual linked in this video's description. To log out of Cloud Capture, click the Logout button. A notification will appear confirming that the logout was successful.